Hello, in this short theory lesson, I will tell you what is a vertex, or vertices in multiple. Most people will summarize a vertex to a position in space. This can be summarized by a simple vector value. But a vertex is a bit more. A vertex is actually a bunch of information combined into this point. It can also contain color information or the normal vector in that point. Two linked vertices will form an edge or a line, and three vertices will form a face. Usually, if the color between these vertices are different, like red, green, and blue, the color of the face will be a gradient that is transition between these colors. Most graphics programs work with triangles since everything can be formed by a triangle. But sometimes you might see quads where a face is formed from 4 edges instead of 3 connected vertices. This is all you need to know about vertices. See you later.